Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another addition to the channel. Cue the crazy dog. There goes Lola. She is running around making sure that this little backyard is safe from all the bad people out there. I got a really bad car behind me. I got to tell you how bad it is. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
The sun is setting here in Oklahoma, and the future is looking, I don't know, I don't want to say dim, but it's just not perfect. Take a look at my car. Let me back up the camera so you can get the full effect. Here she is in all of her glory. This is an E320, the W210 chassis that I picked up at auction. $500 is what I won the auction for. Yeah, $500. And boy, was I in for a little surprise. You know, I do the walk around videos, and you would think that I would actually go walk around the cars that I'm interested in. Well, sometimes I do, and sometimes I just take a big leap of faith. Well, I jumped off the cliff with this one. I don't know. I'm going to let you decide on that one. On the outside, she looks pretty good, right? You can't see all the little dings and dents and everything. But we do have some rust right here and here. And if you look at the hood, this could be an indication of just how many miles this car has under her belt. Look at the road rash right there. Everything, all the little nicks are starting to rust, which gives me a great opportunity to test that chip, the Dr. Color, where they just kind of wipe this stuff on and these things disappear. Yep, I'm going to order that and see if it actually works or not. But here she is. Let me tell you a little bit more. We've got to come up with a name for her. Well, like I said, we won the auction for $500, and she was listed as a mechanical issue. That was the main damage. Probably not the smartest purchase Mike has ever made. It also had 1 mile on the odometer, and now they do that, and this is from IAA, they do that, and it says that the digital dash is inoperable. I don't know why they do that. I really don't know. I need to talk to someone and figure that out. But it listed 1 mile on the odometer. I don't know how many miles it has on it. We're kind of checking it out together. So let's step inside this beauty and see what she looks like and smells like. Because even standing outside, I can smell something, and it's not pretty. Here we go. This is the first entrance into... Oh! Well... Oh, this, oh no, have I done it again? Okay, I can tell you it's a smoker's car. I could tell you from 10 feet away it was a smoker's car. Holy guacamole, this thing, I gotta air it out. I can't even get in it. The back seat looks good. The back seat will clean up just nicely, okay? Horrible aftermarket floor mats. But the door cards look pretty good. The leather is in really good shape. I mean, it's a little bit dirty. What do you think, Lola? Is this a good car? You want to go for a ride? You want to jump in? What do you think? Does she smell funny? Yeah, what do you think? Can you smell anything? Can I get a high five? Can I get a high five? Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you so much. We gave her a little bit of a haircut. Okay, she doesn't have scabies or anything like that, but I tried to trim her, and I got carried away, and then she got tired of me buzzing, and so we have some fur left on her legs and a whole hot mess on her back, and I'm afraid to get her on her mouth and the other end, so we're going to take her to a groomer. Okay, let's jump in here and see what we get. Okay, I think I have the key with me. Let me check and see. One key right here. Okay, it was listed, like I said. Oh. Okay. She's a hot mess. Oh! Well, I can't even read that. Look at this. We're going to have to listen to this. You think this works? Lola just burped. Can you hear it? Yeah, Lola just took a big old burp. That's okay. Anyway, we're going to turn the key and see what we get. Okay, folks, this is what $500 will get you. Well, is the key dead? Is the battery dead? Just my life. All right, before we get started, let's take a look at this engine and see what you get, okay? We have the NOCO booster. She's boosting right now. I just want to make sure that she gives us a good start. As far as the engine goes, well, she's dirty. She's leaking right there. My neighbor just started mowing his yard. The belt looks good. That's okay. Oil. There is oil. That's a plus. How bad is the air filter going to be? I don't know. Anyway, while the NOCO is boosting, let's start her up and see what's going on here. Okay, Lola, I'm sorry, I got to close the door. Let's do this. Here we go. There is so much wear on the interior of this car. It's really kind of scaring me. That says 2 malfunctions. That kind of scares me too. All right, here we... Oh, no, look at this. Wait a minute. Let's see. Well, the engine starts. The engine literally has 315,500 and something, right? Was it 66? 315,566? Come on now. Let me get back here. There it is. Well, my first indication should have been the steering wheel. Look at this. Look at how bad this is. 300,000 miles. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done. Okay? It had 1 mile digital dash inoperable on the listing. They were only 315,565 miles off. So what did we get other than, oh my gosh, one of the world's dirtiest Mercedes. Whoa. Okay, we're going to be positive. We're going to be positive. The air, it's cold. It is cold. This is horrible. I don't even want to touch it. Engine-wise, okay. Listen to that. Listen to that, Lola. Look at that. Lucky, what do you think? Oh, you know what? The people haven't seen you lately. Let me show off Lucky real quick. There he is. He's standing in a pile of poo, and he's got one good leg, but he survived the attack. If you've been watching my Facebook page, you know that I let him out and something tried to get a hold of him, and I was really worried about him. But as you can see, he's coming back very nicely. His feathers are growing, and he looks pretty good, doesn't he? Look at him, and he can almost walk. It's his little ankle that's still kind of messed up. So he's getting better and better. He's got a really dirty pool right here. I'm going to change the water as soon as I get done with this video. But Lucky Duck lives to see another day. Back under the hood now. I don't want any leaves to hurt my 315,000 mile engine. Yep, this engine has gone 1/3 of a million miles. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Why do I do this? I should have, I don't know. I should have done my due diligence. But she runs. That's the weird thing. She runs really, really well. And this has now officially become, as I think about it, my highest mileage car ever. This V6, this 3.2 liter that Mercedes used in everything, C-Class all the way up to the ML, is an amazing engine, and you're looking at proof right there. I don't hear anything wrong with it at all. I don't hear any ticks. I don't hear any, even the pulleys are fine. You gotta be kidding me. I had an ML 320, which is the big SUV. It had 285,000 miles. This car has what is it, 30,000 left? More? 30,000 more? Yeah, this car has 30,000 miles more than the other one. Holy moly. Okay, well, let's enjoy this interior. I'm gonna, whoo, when I get out of this thing, it's gonna smell like I've been in a bar. My mother used to say that too. I'd wake up and go to church and she would elbow me and she'd, Mike, you smell like a bar. Well, I was in a bar just 6 hours before. So anyway, you want to see what this sounds like? This is my new favorite singer. Oh, it's a spray. Oh, cologne. Oh, look, here it is. Oh. Whoa. That is strong. This. Wow. Okay. Well, no, it's not the same guy. Is this the same guy that sells cologne and sing? No, it's no. I don't know. Younger, older version. I don't. Anyway, okay. Let's find out what the previous owner listened to. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. Once again, AC, super cold. I have no idea what this means. I know exactly what that means. I know exactly what this means right here. Yeah, my little display. If you get a rubber band and put it behind here where the contact point makes the little... Anyway, I know what to fix this. A rubber band will fix this, okay? It's just lost contact with the... What is this? LCD screen strip, something? I don't know. I'm losing my mind. The smell in here is affecting me. So, do we have... Okay, we have volume. Let's do tape. This is going to be fun. Okay, here we go. Let's listen to side one. Does it even work? Okay. Side two. Oh. We'll see how the car drives at 315,000 miles. Yeah, this is gonna be this will give me something to listen to as I'm stranded on the side of the road in this car, which I'm thinking, no, I don't know. I'm starting to have faith in this thing. Okay, the windshield is cracked. I just noticed that. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. But the tape works, the AC works. What about this? Let's text. Okay, what does Randy call this? The important window? Yes, sir. That works. This works, although it's a little loose on the regulator, I can tell. Solid. Solid. And what about back here? These windows are dirty. That one doesn't work. You know, worky, worky. Okay. Sunroof. Let's see if that works. Yes. That's a win. That's a win. Go back up here. Okay, we're missing the doors on the... Ugh. Ooh, that's really dirty. What about this one? Yeah, we're missing the doors on the mirrors there. That's a typical 210 issue. I don't know what this is. It's a powder. I don't know what that is. That's really gross. Maybe it's just dried glue and not ashes or cocaine or something. I don't know. This AC is really cold. Okay. Oh, let's do the trunk. I'm just gonna let this run for a while and hopefully charge up the battery. Look at the temperature. She's not overheating or anything right there. Wait, let's see. Let's do this. We'll get rid of the error messages. Both of them went out. Look at that. Both of them went out. Look what came on. Oh no! Oh no! That's not going to be good. Now let's look at the trunk. Let's see if the trunk switch works. No. Trunk switch does not work. Lola, you have the dumbest owner in the history of owners. You know that? I'm an idiot. Here we go. Oh. What the heck is this? Oh, this is a nice toe strap. I hope this car didn't need it. I hope. Do we have any? Oh, do we have more music? Let's just see. Okay. We do. We have all kinds of music. Okay. Yes. This person was a music aficionado. I'm going to have a lot of music to listen to while I'm stranded on the side of the road. I'll just tell you that right there. Okay, this is worrisome. When you find an empty jug of coolant, you hope it's not a head gasket. What is this? Oh, it's a little pin. Here we go. It's a tube tank. Inferno. No, I didn't do that. I would not do that. No, sir. Okay, here's this. I get a charger, a sponge, and oh wow, that's a new tire. That is a new tire on a steel wheel. Look at that. I'll take that any day. And it does have air. So as this guy was driving across the country 67 times, he kept the spare aired up, which is great. All right, down you go. Look at the rust. Look at all the rust on my new to me E320. Well, have I done it? Have I? Yeah. Lola, be nice. Thank you. Show off your new hairdo. She got some spots right there. Anyway, what do you guys think about my 315,000 mile car? 250,000 miler. We need to get a badge for that, don't we? Blit up, blit up, blit up. Yeah, we do. We need to get a badge for that. Okay, Lola, I got to finish this video. Okay, get down, go away. Love you, but get away. Get away, get away, get away. So the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to put her into drive. It did sound like she wanted to shift. And reverse. And we're going to see if we can drive around the block. I don't know. I love saving these cars. I do. And what's the value in a third of a million mile car from 2001? Those are the good years. The last model year, 2002 for these. And they're great cars, even with an owner's manual. Okay. So the next video, we'll take her for a block. We'll kind of give you a little more review, and we will probably include 67 prayers as we try to get this girl back on the road. All right? There it is. So I have the 190E that we're going to call Dirty Gertie. I've never seen a dirtier car. I hadn't been on the road for years and years, and we got to come up with a name for this one. Now she's stumbling a little bit. Yeah, we got to come up with a name for this car because on the inside she's a mess. She's a hot mess. All right, let me know what you think we should name this car, and if this was worth the $500 price. I don't know. What's the value? They actually put the estimated value. The owners can put an estimated value when they sell their cars, and they said the estimated value on this one was $650. So as long as they don't put more than $150 into her, I'll be good. If that's possible. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Wow. Oh, I found a sticker right here. Okay. This oil change, 4 of 23, 320,000 miles. So why was the car there? We'll do the history of the car as well. Okay, folks, thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. And that little 190E has been my #1 video for 2 videos in a row. Amazing. So we're going to go to Buyers and check that one out, do a little more work on her and see if we can get her started. Hopefully, and of course, we'll come back with this car right here. All right? For Lola and Lucky. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.